Hi, my name is Amanda, and for the purpose of this lesson, I will be presenting to a kindergarten special education classroom who followed the alternate standards using the dynamic learning maps, or the DLMs. Right, and our lesson today will be on numbers 1 through 10, and we will focus on counting and one-to-one correspondence. For goals and objectives, our students will learn number names and will count to 10 by ones. Students will demonstrate one-to-one correspondence by pairing each object with one and only one number. So we will learn our numbers to 10, and we will learn how to count objects using that one-to-one correspondence. This is an example of what you will be doing today. We will be using the touch and count method to touch and count each object, pairing it with one number. Let's watch that one more time. Okay, so he is using his finger to touch and count each object one time. So we're going to begin our lesson today with a number warm-up. We're going to spin our wheel, find a number, and then we will either clap our hands that many times, or you will stomp your feet like a dinosaur. Let's get ready to spin our wheel. Okay, here we go. Sorry, it's just taking a second to load. And we got number 8. So go ahead and either clap your hands 8 times or stomp your feet 8 times. All right, so I'm going to show you first what we're going to be doing today using correspondence. So I'm going to use the touch and count method to touch and count each object that I see. Okay, so I'm going to use my finger. 1, 2, 3. So I counted 3 objects. Now let's practice this one together. Okay, make sure you are touching and counting each slice of pizza just one time. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you should have counted 7 slices of pizza. Okay, so now it's your turn. Go ahead and touch and count the objects to find how many. Nice job. You should have counted 10 basketballs. Now you can go ahead and touch and count these objects to find how many. And you should have counted 8 blueies. And for our extra question today, how many flowers are there? Nice job. And for our follow-up assignment today, I want you to gather 10 items from around your house. It can be your favorite toys, blocks, pencils, whatever it may be, just as long as you have 10, and practice that one-to-one correspondence by counting out groups up to 10. You can also go to boomcards.com with our classroom login and complete the counting activities that are assigned to your name for extra practice. Remember to have fun and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.